Hello and welcome again to our lesson 8 for the Ansible 101 po natin. And last video that I uploaded is we discussed about sa Jinja na template. And right now sa lesson 8 po natin is we're going to discuss how the blue and green deployment work. Okay? So in the world of our deployment strategy, okay, hindi naman siyang kaagad-agad na if we deploy the production itself, may update yung ating server, hindi natin siya pwedeng i-shut down. Okay, and then kailangan meron po tayong uh, other way na the traffic will continue to remain seated kung saan po yung natin ang nakaraning na applications or yung server po natin. And that strategy is blue-green. Of course, if we're going to put it in our analogy, meron po tayong isang group of server na ongoing yung pag-online niya sa ating pagsalo sa ating traffic. And then meron po tayong a certain group of servers wherein dito po ay lahat ng mga ating mga update. Okay? So binibigyan ko lang kayo ng ah, ah, picture here guys na install yung pag-manage ng traffic sa web server, okay? Kasi meron din akong lesson dito sa 8 na sa ating folder na 8 na meron po tayong actual project. But if you can see here sa ating uh, lesson 8, meron pa tayong inventory na folder which is yung we have four server but it divide into two groups like meron pa tayong blue na group, team blue, hooray for the Ateneo and then green for the Green Altar, okay? But basically ito po ay isang group ng ating server na we in fact yung sabi ko nga is to deploy ang isang ating server na the traffic will still remain kasi ang aking example po dito yung web server if you're going to have an update here like for example gumawa po ako ng uh, task dito na to install a package of pip or Python of all sa ating server. But for us na hindi po ma-interrupt yung ating isang server, we're going to install it first sa blue. Okay? Since siya yung naka-up. But after na niya ma-update yung green na yon, saka na ma-up yung ating green. At ang blue na naman yung i-installan niya. So basically, simple lang po to siya guys na analogy. But if you put in perspective, ginaganito lang natin yung ating host natin. We set it into group yung ating host po natin. For us, sino po yung ating tatarget na na nagagawin dito? To update ba or to to have code na merong tayong mga bug na kailangan i-fix. So, mga ganyan guys. So, in a real world of deployment, meron pong mga ganitong mga strategies. Okay? So, sa ating uh, sa actual project po natin, if you can see, same pa rin, meron po tayong inventory like this one na meron po tayong blue team and the green team which is yung mga different web server. Okay, for the web server ng for the blue team na meron po tayong server 1, server 2, green po natin, meron po 3, 4. And if you're going dito sa ano, sa handlers, ang gagawin lang niya is to reload dito sa ating task is to install first sa ating Nginx and update and then create a deployment color. Yan. But dito may role po tayo dito on how to do that sa mga gagawin niya. At ito yung meron po tayong mga usage on commands sa playbook natin if you're going to target yung blue for updating or installing. So, yan gagawin. For green, ganito. And pwede nating lagyan din ng load balancing para in case na ano na rin siya, automate na rin siya if ever na config na automatic s- after ma-update yung ating servers from the green, so up siya. So yung kampo natin dito, yung traffic is still ongoing running pa rin. So with the help of load balancing. Okay, so ito po yung pwede nating gamitin na tawag nito, na command guys for us to s- to to manage or to handle those tasks. Okay? So actively, itong E na to is we can also show this here somewhere sa ating active group. Saan ko ba nilagay yun? I think sa template, guys. No, not nasa template. I think dito. Okay. Yung host po natin. Okay. So, basically yan lang guys, yung ating topic for that, for the green or blue deployment.